This is a very, very special thing for tzaddikim. They don't have questions. They don't have questions on Hashem. This is a push it the Yid, a simple person. You told him, okay, Hashem told you you have to do this and this. Okay, I do it, but I don't know what's going on here. You told me this. If I do this, then I'm gonna be rich. And if I do this, I'm gonna have kids. And nothing happens. Mention. People goes around with questions. Let's take for example a boy. He needs a shidduch. So you see in the Svurim, if you do this and this skill, you're gonna find your shidduch. No, I do this skill. I don't have a shidduch. Nobody sees the questions. What's going on in people's in the mind. Person has I follow this tzaddik, and he told me if you do this and this and this, you're gonna have atzlucha. I don't know nothing. What's going on here? And then I go around with questions. This is the Nisoyan. This is the Großkeit from a tzaddik. This is the greatness from a tzaddik. People think that a tzaddik you have to. How you see who's a tzaddik? From the outside. If I buy a special kapote, how you say, a package, with a colored package, or by the mashgichim, I have a frak. This is no. I have this guy in the mashgichim, a frak with the two buttons in the back, with the. Oh, this is a big Talmud Chacham. But he goes in a simple suit. He's not a tzaddik. People think that you see from outside who is good, who is not good. Yeah. But who's a tzaddik? Yossi. Who's the real tzaddik? A person that don't have questions. Simple person, a simple boy. Not the best boy, the Metzia, the London, the how you say in yeshiva. Masmed. Okay, he's maybe a tzaddik, but I'm a plain person. But if you don't have questions on Hashem, I have a minna, I have a faith in Hashem. I do this all zgillas, I do this all mitzvahs, and I see that nothing happens to me. I don't get money, I don't get parnusa. So now, I'm not going away from Hashem. I'm sticking with Hashem, even Hashem gives me what I want, even Hashem understands it's not good for me. This is that tzaddik.